yeah. Oh, it was good, Sam. Unbelievable. There's the University of Cincinnati. Lunkin, look how big Lunkin is over there at the airport.
Boy, that's a tall tower over there. I didn't realize how tall they were.
Oh, yeah. University of Cincinnati will be on the left side here, Austin. Check out the football field. Okay, yeah. And then there's good Sam, Dad, right down here. Down here on the left.
Huh? There it is.
There she blows. Oh, my hospital. My hospital! When I kind of turn back left to my grandpa and grandma's side of town.
This is 319 Cincinnati approach. Good afternoon. Expect 18 center.
Okay.
That was for someone else.